Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this tutorial, you will learn to use extruded boss base, rib, and mirror. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. The first thing that we'll make, we will create this base. So the base is a square with 120 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 15 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Open the SolidWorks and go to Sketch and select the top plane and select Center Rectangle and click here in the midpoint. Go to Smart Dimension. The distance here 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters. And we'll make the fillet in the sketch, okay? So go to Sketch Fillet. The radius here 15 millimeters. So select this line and this one, this line and this one. And press OK. We made this. And here we have a hole. This hole is concentric with this arc and has 16 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Select the circle. Click here on this point. Make a circle here. And go to Smart Dimension. Select this circle here. The diameter here is 16 millimeters. And now select this circle, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, and edge relation equal, and press OK. Select this one and this one, edge relation equal, make the same for the other hole. So that's it. And now we need to extrude this. So go to Extruded Boss Base, and we need to extrude 20 millimeters. So the distance here is 20 millimeters and press OK. We made the base. And now we will select the right plane and make this sketch, okay? And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these two circles here. This circle has 30 millimeters of diameter and 50 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this circle and this face here is 80 millimeters. So go to Sketch and select the right plane and select a circle. Make a circle here, make another one, concentric. And go to Smart Dimension. The diameter here 50 millimeters and the other is 30 millimeters. And the distance between the center of the circle and this face here is 8 millimeters. And here, let me move this a little bit. Select the circle, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select the midpoint, and add relation vertical to put this circle in the center of this body, and press OK. And now we will create this two line here. This line is tangent with the circle and coincident with this edge, okay? Tangent with the circle and coincident with this edge. Let's create this. Select line, find this point here and make a line here, tangent. If you didn't find the tangent point here, just make a line here and select the line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select the circle and add relation, tangent, and press OK. Make the same in the other side. Make this line tangent with the circle. and select a line, make a line here in the base between these 2 points. Okay, we made this profile, and now we need to extrude this profile. So go to Extrude the boss base, and the first thing that we will extrude here will be this area. Okay, we need to extrude this 20 millimeters. So select this area, and the direction here, select symmetric or mid plane, and the distance here is 20 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. Now we will use this sketch again. Let me show this a little bit, and go to Extrude the boss base, and here, selected this area. We needed to extrude this, so we needed to extrude this 50 millimeters. So the direction mid plane, and the distance here 50 millimeters, and press OK. Hide the sketch for here. We made this one, and now to finish this we need to make this rib. This rib has 10 millimeters. It is between this point here and this edge. Look at this. Okay, so we will create this line here. So go to create a sketch, and here we will select the front plane, and here select line, find this point here and make a line between this point and this one. Okay, and go to features and select rib, and the thickness here is 10 millimeters. The direction is this one, and press OK. We made this rib here. Now we need to create it in the other side. So to create in the other side, we use the mirror. So go to mirror features, and here select the features to mirror, click here, and now click here in this rib, or you can select the rib here. And the mirror face plane, we needed to select the right plane, and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.